Welcome back to another travel vlog. In this video, I'm going to guide you what you can do in Deira in 24 hours. This video include getting your hair done or salon or topping your phone up, and also some cheap places where you can get food. And this part of Dubai, a lot of people don't know this area, but I can guarantee you affordability in this area is insane. You can rent a place here for nano pennies, and also hotels here are nano pennies compared to the pound. If you want to do Dubai on a budget, this side of Dubai, Deira is the best place. And also they do have hotels that sell alcohol and that also play live bands in Deira. So yeah, and the good thing about this place is there's a metro access in Deira, so it's easier to access anything you want from the palm. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. While you're watching the video, consider sharing the video, and also, like the video. If there's something that's missing, please do let us know with your email.
Another thing I want to show you guys is, so this machine here, what you do is you press, like for example, a T slot. You want to top up. If you want to select English, there's a button here. You press if it's a prepaid, you press prepaid. You enter your phone number like 075. Then once you insert the card, your cash here, so you can insert 5, 10, 20, 50. That's the amount is going to be recharged to your card. So yeah, so once you've done that and press pay, the voucher will come out. It will look something like this with your number display on the receipt. Yeah, then from there you can start using your phone. Yeah, as normal, but data is very, very expensive in Dubai. I noticed that when we first came, but
Just finished cutting my hair in a KC barber shop. This is the name of the shop, KC barber shop. If you're in Dubai and you want your hair cut, just call this number. It's in Deira Park, yeah? Deira Park, opposite step-by-step building. Here's the number. You can call them or you can WhatsApp them. Yeah. My haircut cost me 20 dirham. So guys, I'll see you outside.
well guys, I finished the end of my video right now. I'm back to the Baniyas Square. This is where I started the video from. We're staying just down the station. We had a breakfast down there earlier this week. So yeah, from Baniyas Square, gonna thank you, the whole team. Gonna thank you. God, 12. 12:30. Me too. And I'm hungry. And I'm hungry. Oh.
Sina kuisha madeni wangu